Hi, my name is Jinda and I'm the agent selling this HDB. But I'm also related to the seller who is my uncle, and by that I mean blood related uncle. Which also means this house is one that I am pretty familiar with because I visited often, if not at least once every CNY. I have quite some memory of this place. While it is only 60 square meter, I believe it can squeeze in more than 30 people, as I clearly remembered that happening in our past CNY. You have already saw every part of this house in this video. Clearly it doesn't have much renovation, not even aircon. While you might not be impressed with the lack of reno, I do ask you to have some imagination, because with a bit of renovation, this house can become a very unique living space. Take a look at the floor plan. There are many walls that can be knocked down to create interesting spaces. If you want to have like a closed kitchen with an open kitchen seamless to the living room, you can knock down this wall. Or if you want to enlarge your main bedroom, you can combine them. Or you want to have an enlarged living room, you can also then merge the living room with the common bedroom. So this very rectangular shape is very utilizable, and it's really up to you how you want to play with the space. Let me also talk about this location in case you're not familiar. We are at block 30302. Let me just put myself over here. We are at block 302, which is just a 4-minute walk to Lorong Chuan MRT. We are at stone throw to Nanyang Junior College. By the way, Nanyang Junior College is the number 4 JC as per in Singapore in terms of cut-off point. And it's also very near to NEX, the mega shopping center. In terms of primary schools, there are 4 primary schools: CHIJ, Our Lady of Good Counsel, St. Gabriel, Yangzheng, and Zhonghua. Yangzheng is very popular. There are more schools within 2 kilometers, and the very popular one is Chuan and Maristella High. There are even international schools nearby. I'll show you later. So there's no shortage of amenities. You have NEX nearby, as I said. So plenty of supermarkets, wet markets, coffee shops, childcare, dining options, entertainment. You also have cafes and eateries at nearby Chom Chom. So in short, this is a mature estate with everything. In terms of transport, also fantastic, because with Circle Line just at your doorstep, you can access all the other lines easily. Also super near to CTE. This is the spine of Singapore. So just now I was saying that there are international schools. So these are the 3 international schools. So you have noticed the material I'm showing you on the screen is actually from a brochure for a very popular condo launch recently. If you have heard, Chuan Park was launched in November and was sold 77% in just one day. That is 700 plus units sold, and they average $2,700 PSF. I'm very aware because personally I've also balloted for Chuan Park, but I just didn't have the luck to get a good queue number. So no doubt, Serangoon is a highly sought after district. If you are interested in this unit, do contact me for viewing, and I'll be happy to show you my uncle's place. Bye bye.